What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you guys can connect your email with the Fresh Sales platform. So for that, the process is very simple, easy, and to the point. Make sure you follow the link in the description, and it will redirect you right over here. So let's dive into the video without wasting any further time. On the right hand side, as you guys can see, there is a profile option. Click on that, and there will be an option for the personalized settings. In personalized settings, you go to email accounts. You can connect your email account by clicking on the option connect email. Just go ahead and click on that. You will be redirected to this option. Here, I have already connected my account, but if you want to do so, you can go ahead and connect your Outlook, Zoho, or other accounts. So for that, just click on the dedicated logo that you want to go with. If you want to go with Gmail, Zoho, Microsoft, Amazon services, click on this button, and then how do you want to connect your emails, both incoming and outgoing, or you can only send the emails. So that would be your outgoing. So in order to connect your two-way signs, click on the connect email option, and then you have to give the credentials into it. This is pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.